funniest.
Looking good, Jim.
They're about 10 wide. 10 wide here. Either that or Sunset First. We're not sure.
I think we're gonna go all around us.
Yeah, I'm gonna slide behind.
Oh, sorry.
Did they actually see us, Johnny, in the water?
Yeah.
I wish they could tie up.
This is a cool place
Listen to that.
be.
They can't? Well, I don't know. They don't, why are they tying up
Who?
my sister?
We're not gonna stay that long. Hi, ladies.
Look at that.
Hi, Johnny.
Birthday girl.
Birthday girl.
These boats go 170 miles an hour.
No other place I'd rather be.
170.
Look, he's gonna split between us.
No way.
Look at this.
Why are they coming straight at us? I hope they see us. You see that guy? No, it's like this. Of course he was.
Nitro.
Yeah.
Nitro. You're burning nitro.
I know that's me again. Holy shit.
I got the goosebumps.
That was insane. Those first two.
Bob's got the goosebumps too.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll just have a. Here,
Freaking burning nitro. Oh my god.
These boats are going slow. The show's over.
Hey,
Oh
honey.
my god.
How cool
Shows.
is that?
I got that on video.
That when they
I got that on video.
No, they're not coming toward you, Bob.
I know they'll come here. Wait a minute.
Yeah,
I'd like
move
to
over
see
there
us.
closer.
Oh,
They're closer to what?
Why? I don't understand why they're coming. Now,
That
why
was
are they going
insane.
this way?
And I'm glad you have that video. That'll be the ultimate.
They're getting there. It's a poker run
It's either
now.
Captain Kids or Sunset. We disagree on the things. And then they
This guy's
back to
moving.
Templeton for a big party.